Okay, dear students, today I am going to tell you about if you want to learn something, any musical instruments, what to do at first. How will you start? Suppose if you want to learn guitar, first you should know about the instruments. What is the shape, how many strings are there, which parts, there are so many parts, which is called what, then only you can proceed nicely. First you should know the name of the instrument which you want to learn. Suppose guitar. Guitar is a 6 strings fretted instrument. So first you learn the name of the strings from first string to 6 strings. There are 6 strings. Suppose first string is E, second string B, third string G, fourth string D, fifth string A, sixth string E. This is first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. These are the name of the guitar strings. Now next part, how the strings are connected. Now the parts of your guitar, you see, this is your instrument. Here it is the, as a whole, the guitar shape. This part is called head. From here to here it is called neck, or upper portion is called fretboard. And this is the sounding box or sound box. The hole at the center, that is called sound hole. And this the edge part is called binding edge, and this side portion is called side frame. Then this, from where the strings are connected, generally in the old guitars at the initial stage, one frame was there, from there strings was fitted and that was connected with the tuning case. Now this portion was called string adjuster. Now it is directly goes out from the bridge. There are bridge, there are 6 holes are there where you will have to insert the button of the string, then block it with a clip, then you take it to the tuning case. There are 6 tuning keys, downward 3, upward the upper 3, means first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. That is connected there. Now tuning method, you will have to go next part, how to tune the guitar. And before that, I would like to tell you, this portion is called fretboard. With your left hand, where you will press the strings, and with your right hand you will hold the pick, and here you will have to strum the strings. This here, in between the bridge and the fretboard, this edge part of the sound hole at the center, means bridge and fretboard, there you will have to strum the strings with the pick. There, why do you strike here? Because to get the good quality sound at the initial stage. Later on you can improvise, you can change the places, that is something else, but the initial stage you will have to strum here only. That is first point. Now how to tune the guitar? There is a app, Pro Guitar Tuner. Pro Guitar Tuner app, or other tuners also available nowadays, but the Pro Guitar Tuner app, there you can tune the guitar very easily. And this kind of devices are available. These are called metronome tuner. You can, with the help of metronome tuner, you can tune your guitar. This is the first part you should know when you want to learn the instrument. First, this is the initial part you should know at first. The parts of your instrument, fret, string names, and how it is connected, how to tune the guitar. This is the initial stage you will have to know first. Now I will go to the second phase at the second step.